Hello everybody, how's it going? I just wanted to do a quick little video on how much I earned in the last 365 days on my main channel, Kesh, which has 378,372 subscribers. And thought I'll give you all the analytics and show you why am I doing this. One, obviously I want to talk more about being a financially independent artist and at the same time having your making money as an artist. I just want to get into those topics. And I started out as a YouTuber. I have more sources of income other than this, as you'll come to see, but just thought I'd show things to you. So now it's getting weird because I'm showing you what I'm earning, which is something I'm not used to. I'm one of those old timer folks. You never ask other people what you're earning. As you can see, this is the dashboard. So for last year I uploaded 24 videos, 22 videos actually to be very specific, and 2 live streams. I've been very less active on YouTube overall for the past couple of months because I've been working on my online art program drawing camp. So right now though, I have my team set in place, everything is set in place, and we'll be producing more videos sort of on a weekly basis. We'll see how it goes. But last year though, I was very inactive. My last month's revenue, right, for the last 28 days. Man, this is getting weird right now. Couple, get out of the room. So for the last 28 days, I earned a whopping total of $546.49, which amounts to, I did some mathematics right here, after a long time. Where did it go? I just wrote it right here. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, that amounts to, at a conversion rate of $72. I live in India, by the way, for those who don't know. That amounts to 39,376.68 rupees. That's what I got from YouTube. Now, couple is standing right behind the camera and smiling at me. That's more than my salary. Well, here's the deal. If you're in India, there is an advantage to being a YouTuber because you don't need much money. 30,000, 35,000, 39,000 especially, 40K per month. If you're earning 40K per month, that's a good salary here in India. Because for example, you can get a 2-bedroom apartment for approximately 6,000 to 8,000 rupees. And your monthly groceries will take about 10,000 to 15,000 rupees for like a good 4 people family. And that would just be like $250. And the remainder $250, you can just, save it up, spend it, or invest, do whatever you want. So for a long time, I was earning approximately around this thing, right? But this right now, I don't even touch it these days because this is not my primary source of income. This is like a tertiary source of income for me. Anyways, we'll get to the 365-day mark right here, right? For the last 365 days, there's the number right there. I earned a whopping total of $7,659.45. And that amounts to, damn, why did I close this book? 7,659.45 into 72. The conversion rate sort of varies. So I earned at 72 rupees of conversion rate. So earned 5.51 lakhs last year on YouTube. So that is the amount that it was made on YouTube. Now 5.51 lakhs, it's a medium salary actually. It's a decent salary, medium. Yeah, I would say medium. A good salary would be like upwards of 10 lakhs per annum. A medium salary would be 5. A starting salary would be like 2.5 lakhs per annum here in India. So that is what I earned. And for fun, I'll also show you my lifetime earnings on YouTube. I started this channel on May 30th, 2011. And May 11th or May 30th, I'm not sure. Approximately around that time, I started getting paid on approximately somewhere during August of 2017. So for the first 5 to 7 years of me being on YouTube, I was paid this much, right? This much. But I kept on doing it because I liked doing it and I just wanted to put out videos. I treated making videos as a craft. Right, I didn't focus on making money. Obviously, I knew people made good money on YouTube. I mean, at least for a person in India, it seemed like a way better option than doing a day job that I hated. So I stuck with it. So in my lifetime earnings are $24,128.67. How much is that? $24,128.67 into 73 average. It's like 17,61,300. That's 17,61,392.91. Now, you might be looking at all this thing and you might be living in America or Australia or Canada or the UK and thinking, is this YouTube a viable option for me? It is. It depends. One, in order to make more revenue on YouTube, you gotta make more videos, which will earn more views, which in turn will make more revenue for you. And also the kind of videos that you make matters. I'm in one of the lowest CPM categories. CPM is cost per mil, meaning you get 1,000 views on YouTube. There's a particular amount that YouTube pays for those 1,000 monetizable views. I don't want to get into the details of it, but let's just keep 1,000 views. Usually the CPMs for me are like $1 and $2 per CPM, the lowest of the lowest, because I'm an artist making art videos, right? But for a financial YouTuber with the same amount of views, last month I got 445,000 views. I was paid $547. For a financial YouTuber on this very same view number, that person would get a CPM of $19 or $22 or $24, possibly upwards of $15. Then they would make, say, $1,500 to $2,000, right? Because that space has more ads. That means more ads will be played in front of those similar videos, therefore earning a higher CPM. Not a lot of art ads. Maybe I should put art ads for my own thing. Drawing camp. This is not my primary source of income. What I do is, it's enough for me to actually live. It's enough for me to actually pay rent and feed my family and do things. I know it's weird. Maybe you might be thinking I should probably move to India. Well, do that actually, right? And I take this as my monthly salary. I don't touch the revenue that I earn from my business, which is making upwards of 100 grand per year. And we just started like 7-8 months ago, approximately. I just invest what I make in the business back into the business and into people, paying people who are, running the business, and like people are helping me for the team, for, all the video editors, the managers, and all the like. And I just take this as my salary. I pay myself the lowest. Sometimes I don't even pay myself. And that's how I'm running at the moment. This is what I'm doing. So big time summary, right? Should you depend on YouTube? No. That's like unless you are one of those Mr. Beast guys or Logan Paul guys who can make really entertaining videos that hits millions and millions and millions of views, then you should go into that route. And two, you need to ask yourself, do you want to make videos like that? Because I have absolutely no interest to make videos that are clickbaity and that's gonna garner 1-2 million views. For me, YouTube is a behind the scenes look into what I do, my artworks, my projects. And obviously, I don't think it's some millions and millions of view material, but sometimes it can get a couple of million. I mean, for example, I made a video called 10 ways to fill your sketchbook. That video is still till today the highest earner video. Right, it gained 63,000 views last month, and that video in total right now has 2.8 million views. Maybe I should make more videos like these, but you get the idea. Don't put all your eggs in one basket when it comes to financials. You gotta diversify your income. I diversify all my incomes. Like I have multiple sources of income that's coming in: YouTube, freelance, drawing camp, courses. All this is, every little thing is a different source of income for me. So don't put all your eggs in one basket, and it's better. And also, there are people in India that I know of, who are playing in the Indian space. That's the weird part. I'm sort of feel like the most disadvantaged YouTuber ever, because for the past year or so, I don't feel like my videos are going as global as it used to, because I'm sort of trying to aim those audience. And for me to actually click here, I need to speak the local language or Hindi, which I don't know. I don't know Hindi. Zero Hindi nahi malum, right? And I know Tamil, but my channel is in English. I built it as an English channel. I can't just switch to Tamil, right? So I'm not going out. I can't come in. So I'm sort of in the middle right now, but I'm having fun. I like what I'm doing. And as long as that happens, I'll just keep on doing this thing, because this is just a face for what I do. The remainder is what I do behind the scenes. All right, so that's it for this video. Just wanted to show you what I was earning on YouTube. Soon, when I do all my things, I'll show you what I'm earning on a monthly basis through my other sources of income, so that we'll keep things transparent. I'll show you what I make in 1-day launches, 5-day launches, 2-day launches, a bunch of other things that I want to show you in terms of making money as an artist, because you got to think about the business side of things. So that is it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.